Good morning. Class 9th CBSE Board SST Democratic Politics Civics Lesson 3 Constitutional Design. Now we are going to discuss our constitution. After a long freedom struggle, after a long freedom struggle, we get independent on 15th August 1947. And since then, we became independent. After that means on 15th August 1947 we became independent. But we were not republic at that time. We were not republic at that time. So a constitutional committee has been organized to make our constitution. And after 2 years, 11 months and 18 days, our constitution has completed. That means the time has been made by our constitution is 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. Points is to be noted. And it was on 26 November 1949. First time it has been placed on the Lok Sabha, House of the People. And then 26 Jan 1950 we became republic. That means we have our own constitution, we have our own rights, we have our own rules and regulations so that the country would govern. At that time, our Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who took pledge, and he told us that some major words. I am going to tell you something more about it. Sovereign is a word that people have the supreme right to make decision. That means in India, as you know, election has been cast every 5 years, and we cast our vote to a particular candidate, and some of them would win. And here I am going to tell you that how do we become a supreme. Now the second point is republic. As I have already told you about republic, what are republic? Now fraternity, that means people should live like a brother and sister in India. As you know, we take place that the all Indians are brothers and sisters. Clear? So the motive of this fraternity that we have to live like brother and sister. Do not fight. Do not criticize anyone. We have to live like brother and sister. It may be we are Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. It may be we are Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. It may be SC, ST, general. It doesn't mean. We have to live like brother and sister. Another one thing which is included in a 42nd Amendment, secular, the word which is included in 42nd Amendment, it was a secular. The word secular tells us that the government will not favor any religion. Government will not favor any religion. That means in India, we are a secular person. The state are secular. Country is a secular. That means nobody will blame to anyone. There's no supreme, there's no measure, there's no forcibility to do this or not. So we are completely social, secular. Now democratic constitution design. So now I am going to ask some question behalf of this lesson. Thank you.